Welcome to Arts Core. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon. For this tutorial, I have listed all the materials in the description box below. To start off, I'm taking a roll of tape and tracing out a circle. Then follow along with me for the remaining guidelines. Also remember to press gently as these are your guidelines and they will be covered with color pencils eventually. At this point, I'm drawing some random shapes for the highlights. Start by taking the dark brown and lightly coloring in the shown areas. Also make sure to use a circular motion as it will help blend the following layers. Then I'm taking the black and applying a second layer over the brown. Then take the Tuscan Red and go around the circle. Press hard in the areas where the black pencil color is beneath it. In all the other areas, apply a light layer of the color. Also remember to go around the highlights as you want to leave them blank. In this area, use circular motions and press hard when you're towards the middle and lightly as you move towards the top. This will help give a nice transition. Now take the black and darken up the shown areas. Now take the dark brown and apply a light second layer all around the donut. Remember to leave the highlights blank. Now I'm taking the Tuscan Red and darkening up the entire area. Now take the dark brown again for the base. Lightly start coloring in from the left side and press harder when you move towards the right. It is supposed to be like a gradient. Then take the white and blend the area from the left to the center. Then take the brown once again and darken up the shown areas. This is to give a texture to the base. Now take the white and blend out the areas around the highlight. Now since the highlight on the left side seemed way too big, I used the Tuscan Red to break it down. Then take the white gel pen and apply it around the highlight. If the white is way too dark, you can also use your finger to dab it down. Then add a shadow using a pencil. Just color in this area and then use a blender or a brush to smoothen out the shades. If your shadow is way too light, you can also repeat the steps. Here, the highlight on the left still seems a little too big, so I'm using the Tuscan Red and decreasing the size. The last step is to take the eraser and define the shadow. After erasing, if your shadow seems too crisp, use a brush to blend it out a little. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, if you have done any of my tutorials, tag me on Instagram and I will feature them on my story. Thank you for watching.